Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, your one-stop place to improve English in a fun and easy way. In today's video, we're going to practice simple English questions and answers on everyday topics like hometown, hobbies, school, and daily life. These are common topics in English-speaking tests and conversations, so make sure you listen carefully and repeat after me. Speak with me, pause when needed, and try to give your own answers too. The more you practice, the better your English will get. Ready? Let's begin. What is your favorite hotel? My favorite hotel is the Taj Hotel. It's very beautiful and famous. Where is it located? It's in Mumbai near the Gateway of India. The view from the hotel is amazing. Have you ever stayed there? Yes, once during a family vacation. It was a great experience. What did you like most about the hotel? I loved the food and the service. The staff was very kind and helpful. How was your room? The room was big and clean with a sea view. I really enjoyed my stay. Did you use any hotel facilities? Yes, I used the swimming pool and gym. They were very well maintained. Was the food expensive? Yes, it was a little costly, but worth the quality and taste. Would you like to visit again? Yes, of course. I would love to stay there again someday. What makes a hotel good in your opinion? Clean rooms, polite staff, and good food make a hotel perfect. Do you prefer hotels or homestays? I prefer hotels because they are more comfortable and safe. Great job, everyone! You did amazing practice today. Remember, learning English is all about daily speaking. So, try answering these questions about your own life again after this video. You can even comment your answers below. I love reading them. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more English practice videos every week. Keep learning, keep smiling, and I'll see you in the next video.